What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. We're gonna come out and do a early morning video. I haven't done one of these in a long time. It is 8 a.m. right now in Florida, and I just got an update on my phone. When you see pre-market, your stocks down that you own, over 5%, you get an alert. And guys, we actually had a downgrade come this morning. Okay, we're gonna be going into that, and I'm telling you right now, this is a time where you really need to check your emotions, okay? Because we've been following this stock for 2.5 years and things have been improving, getting better and better. And now we're going back, light years. I mean, the price target that this guy just put out does not make any sense. You got to think of this in a psychology format. Think about like a real estate agent versus a buyer, okay? The real estate agent wants to, make you, buy as high as possible, tell you all the pros about the home. And then on the other end, the buyer wants to bring up all the, things that are negative about the home to get the lowest price. It's just a perspective view on an asset, the house, okay? One wants the price as high as possible, one wants the price as low as possible. And this analyst has an opinion that is different from what we're seeing from the other analyst that just gave a price target after earnings. We saw some upgrades, some neutrals, maybe a slight pullback of, 10, 15%. This is absolutely incredible to me, and it is also incredible that this stock is moving so much pre-market. Let's get into it right now, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you find any information useful, and be sure to smash the like button. I know it's tough to like the video on some news like this, but people need to check their emotions now, and hopefully this video helps. So guys, I'm following about 120 growth stocks inside of the pre-market just to understand, where the market is headed day to day. And if we scroll down right now, guys, take a look at this. We're at 80, 90, 100, 120, 126. Give me a break right now. SoFi is the worst stock out of every stock pre-market, down 6.3%. Guys, when I see something like this, I'm thinking, 100, 200 million share dilution or something like that. Something really bad happening. If we click the SoFi stock, guys, we have Wedbush downgrade SoFi to underperform, lowers price target to 250. This actually came out. Look at this, guys, right now. This came out 4 hours ago. This was timed at 4 a.m. pre-market, guys. That is the earliest time any news can possibly get out. I don't believe these guys were, up at 3 a.m. I think this was planned like on Friday night or Saturday morning to hit empty news wires, guys. And this is, spreading like a wildfire already. I mean, maybe the shorts were planned ahead of time over a weekend. This is incredible to me. And I'm going to give the guy an opportunity, and check his price target on him. If we put in these outstanding shares, 910 million, I believe that's where it's around. That gives you a market cap of 2.2 billion. That should be just about our revenue this year. 40% revenue growth. That's about one-time sales. That's book value. We're talking 0.4. That's like half of your equity. That's if SoFi did a fire sale right now, they can come out on top with 5 billion in overall cash. If you liquidate, all your assets and all your liabilities or whatever, you're gonna come up with over 5 billion in cash. So this makes no sense at all of where he's coming up with this price target. This is the guy we're talking about, David. Whatever his name is. I mean, this guy has been doing horrible on his picks. I mean, look at these are his recommendations. He's buying at the top over here, buying, buy, and now he's massive sellback, guys. We're talking this guy hasn't had any success. Look at this, guys. I mean, this is crazy. He's almost at the bottom 8,000 out of 8,300 analysts on this tip ranks. I mean, this is incredible. He has no return, a negative return, no success. This just blows me away, guys. I mean, this is psychology. I mean, we have over 12 analysts covering the stock. I think, Bank of America just did a neutral on their stock. I mean, they're the second biggest bank in the world, okay? That guy, I gotta be honest with you, is I respect that guy a lot from Bank of America. I mean, he really does like SoFi, and he's, being honest. Some of these guys are not honest, and I think this is a buying opportunity. Once again, if you follow this YouTube channel, guys, you're gonna be getting the daily video updates. But go check out my Twitter. You're gonna see some buys coming in from me. I gotta be completely honest with you. This is a great opportunity to just nasty get your price target or your price average down, the dollar cost average. This is a nasty, nasty opportunity. Once again, I said the last earnings were not stellar, but they were pretty dang good from what SoFi was doing last year. You just had an analyst come out on Friday with a price target upgrade of $8, 2 to 8, guys. That's a what? A 4x difference? That's 400% difference on two opinions. Regional banking crisis attracting deposit for digital services, says Truist Andrew Jeffrey. This is a big bank. And you can see this Andrew Jeffrey guy, 64% success rate, 12% return, even in this environment. And he's got SoFi at a buy rating right now. So just look at the two different opinions, guys. That is just human psychology. Go back to my analogy at the beginning of the video, the real estate agent versus the buyer. One is going to, give you all the pros of why the price should be this high, and the other is looking for negatives to get the stock down, the paint, the plumbing, the overall condition of the home, stuff like that. This is just absolutely insane for me. I had to get this video out to you guys immediately because I think, this is going to be a buying opportunity. I think the SoFi CEO is going to definitely buy. He could buy big. In my opinion, you might see like a $500,000 buy or something like that. But we will be finding out. And once again, guys, there's nothing really to talk about. I forgot what he said. He said something about the reason why the stock is this low is the valuations on, I think, the assets. So something about the loans. You had no other analyst come out and say that. So once again, SoFi is holding its loans on the book right now. It's not selling. A lot of people don't know exactly why they did that. But if you think of this type of management that is in place right now, you got the SoFi bank president is the dude that was running USAA for 5+ years. Okay, he's got to be given the go ahead of holding these loans. Maybe we are holding these loans because holding them to the end or maturity or longer is just going to get us a bigger return, and these are still high quality loans because you got 750 FICO scores. So this has been a very mixed bag because they haven't sold loans, but maybe we'll see in the next quarter. They might sell some or they might continue to hold. We don't know, but I believe the management is doing this for a reason. You're talking, once again, USAA 5-year is our president for SoFi Bank. So I think he knows what he's doing when it comes to getting the biggest return possible. And this is something to do with why the other analysts downgraded. I think he's talking about valuations of these loans, but it just doesn't make sense at 0.4 price to book. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed making this video for you guys. This is a very crazy time we're in. I can't believe this guy came out and really did that, and it has the stock down 6%. I think this was very planned. This guy is definitely not on the fintech side any longer, and I think this is a buying opportunity because the valuation at that level, I mean, that's pricing in no growth and half your assets. It makes no sense at all to come out with a $2.50 price target. We plugged it in on the Omni calculator for market cap, and it's 2.3 billion market cap. So do yourself a little understanding of what just happened, and if you think this is a buying opportunity, it is time to take advantage because you can really dollar cost average aggressively when you get some news like this. So once again, my name is Kyle. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to drop a comment and be sure to follow my Twitter. Have a great day.